she wanted to go up the slide. She leans forward.
Woo!
Come here, Missy.
Jojo loves the slide. Quinny's not so sure about it.
Yeah, well,
He's a little...
Grandpa takes her every day and lets her go.
Oh, whoa!
She's not sure.
Are you okay, honey?
She's thinking about it.
Hi, Quinny. Hi, buddy.
We got them all lathered up with the suntan lotion, no burns.
Come on.
Grammy was very conscientious, Amy.
Why does she lean forward so hard?
Whoa!
Here's a video.
She's alive.
She's all, I don't know about that.
You're okay, baby.
Hi, guys. Hey, how about pouring some water?
It's like a blur.
What, you want it again? You want it again?
Okay, maybe we better take a break. Okay, last slide, Missy. Hey, come pour some water in the bucket. Put some water in the bucket. Is Missy on? No.
No, no more. Oh, down she goes. She wants to go.
Woo! And cut.